How to fix UAE Pass Account Login not working. If you're having that issue today we are going to fix that, so let's just dive right into the video. First thing is making sure your login credentials are correct. So go ahead and open up the app. After that, ensure that your login credentials are correct, because that may be the reason why you are not being able to log in. If you're logging using the app, what you can do is, even if your browser, all you gotta do is clear the cache. So for that, you can long press on the app if you're using an app, and at the top you should be finding an info section. You can go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, you should be finding these options on your screen. So scroll down and head over to storage, and from storage you need to go ahead and clear the cache and also clear the data if necessary. So you can tap on the options in the button below and see if that fixes the issue. Another thing is making sure internet connection is stable. Sometimes poor connection can prevent unsuccessful logins, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and move closer to your router first. If you're using the app, make sure your app is also updated to the latest version. So you can head over to Play Store if you are Android, and go ahead and search for the app here by tapping on the search bar in the bottom right corner and searching for the application in the search bar, and ensuring that your app is updated to the latest version. Apart from that, if you're using any VPN, that could be causing the issues, so make sure you are turning it off and logging it again. So that's it. Hopefully one of the steps worked for you and you are back into UAE Pass account. So if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.